Today I fixed a bottom stone on a set of brick steps. I'm going to show you how I did it. Well, today we're going to fix a bottom step. We're going to replace that. But first I want to see what's going on here. We look up there and they got a rain gutter going across, and that's good. So it keeps the rain off the first one, keeps the rain off the second one, but the third one is cracked and this one's completely shot. And one of the interesting things is they put some kind of, here's the stone on the bottom, they put some kind of cap on top, and I'll tell you what, it's a nice job. I bet you did it a while ago, but as you can see, the stone is shot. It's limestone, and it doesn't last. So we're going to replace this. I'm going to show you how I do it. Now we're going to get this rock out of here first, and look what's underneath it. So we got that off. I want to see what's going on here. See, that's all rotted away. Oh, that's lime mortar. If they use lime or mortar, falls apart in Pennsylvania. Don't work here. So what we're going to do is just get all the loose stuff off, because everything else is solid. See? This is all solid. Water gets in there and it breaks it apart. This is Pennsylvania. It's not Florida. Whole different world. Everything depends on what you're doing. So now let's get it down. Get all this stuff off of here. That's the first thing. So we looked at the steps. They all measure 7 3/4. This measures 8, and this measures 8 1/2. So I don't want to go banging on here. The only thing I'm going to do is just grind it down like this. So I ground it down so we get a little more space on the bottom. I don't want to go banging on it. Once I start banging on it, all the steps are going to get loose. When you go to get your car inspected and there's a little spot in the fender, they won't inspect it. He don't rip the whole fender off, he just patches it up. That's what this is, it's a patch job. Same thing when you go to a dentist. Dentists don't rip the whole tooth out, he fixes what's broken. That's what we're doing. Now it's all ready. I'm going to mix some cement and we're going to put the stone in. Now for this I'm using a repair mortar, and it's fast set. That means it dries fast. I don't really consider this a mortar. I think it's a lot better than that. But we're just going to mix this up and use that. I'm going to mix this up. This is a fast repair mortar. I don't really consider it a mortar. Consider it more like a cement, like a little Portland, but it gives you more time than rapid set. So that's it for this step, just about like that. Okay, so now I already wet it first. I don't want a lot of. I just have to worry about the back as far as I want the thing tipped down so that the water rolls off of it. Just about like that. Just a little bit in front. Just like that. Okay, keep going. Okay, let it go. I'll get it. It'll float on top now. Ooh, right there. Can't find a rubber hammer. We got a rubber hammer this way. Check the pitch again. Well, we got it on, but let me show you a little thing you always look for when you're doing steps. you look down and make sure they all line up. You see what I mean? This one's a little long at the beginning, and then you get down here, they all match up. So we got that in. I made my second batch here. We're going to fill the back end of it, tie it in. Not worried about the color. I just want to get it in there. That's it. Keep the water from going down in there. Pack it pretty good. Now I got that all filled up in the back. And then just get my sponge. Stole it from my cousin's car seat. And then I just sponge it off. And that's it. It's all going to match up in there. A little bit on the brick if we got it. But see, they did it a couple times already, the old timers, so I can't fix what's broke. Clean it all up. Now my cousin Jackie, say hi.
Hi.
She's a cutie, but she don't want to be seen on the video. Ask me, how come this is so bright and that's so dark? So we're gonna get the mud trick. We just get some mud from my dad's garden, mix it in, and we do the mud trick. All that does is dirty it up a little bit so that it all matches in there.
How about that?
And nobody knows nothing. Right?
Got all the tricks, yes.
Yep. This is the mud trick. See that? And then it's going to darken that all up. Make it look like the rest of the steps. So that's it. I did the mud trick. I made it look old again. The thing is, the steps aren't really that bad. If I ripped them all apart again, I could still use the same stones. Second one's bad, but she might be selling a house. So we're going to let it is as it is. Thanks for watching. I'm Mike Haduck. Until next video.